Okay, first video is phase 0, how to create a master keyword list to write copy, either fresh for a new listing or to rewrite copy on an existing listing. Here's an existing listing. First we have to figure out what this is called. So it's called a whiteboard. Also it's referred to down here as a marker board. Here's dry erase lapboard. So let's copy this and assume that it's called dry erase lapboard and do a search for dry erase lapboard. We'll run helium-10 X-ray on here to get all the top sellers of dry erase lapboards. And we want to sort these from the best sellers to the least. We want items that look like ours. This item goes on a wall. It's not really a lapboard. These are stickers. This is a different type of set, it looks like. This looks like ours. This is a 6-pack. That's a 60-pack, but that looks like ours. We're skipping over all of the sponsored, the SP, because we're looking just for organic ranking, not anything that is considered sponsored here. This looks like ours. This is magnetic, but it looks like ours. This is double-sided, but looks like ours. This looks like ours. And then that's 10. So once we have 10 of the top sellers similar to ours, we'll run a keyword search using Cerebro. Now this is going to return a huge number of keywords, and we're really focusing on only the top keywords that have the highest volume and are the most relevant for us. So this has 14,000. So first of all, let's search for anything that's got at least 1,000 keywords. We want these to match organically only. And we want to find items that are ranking in the top on page 1. So on page 1, top 35. And we want to find at least 3 or 4, at least 4 of these 10 have this keyword on page 1. So now we know it's relevant across the list. 370. We could probably tighten this up a little more. Let's say half. Half of the 10 show this item on page 1, and we'll say 1,600 keywords. There we go. Now it's 235 keywords. So we'll bring this down into Excel and sort this. So this is the keywords for everything that we are looking for. Position rank is where the first item is ranked, and then the others have the ace in here. So what we do is we go back to Cerebro and say the first keyword was this keyword right here, the one that ends in BQ. So we'll make sure we copy that so we know exactly which one's which. Great. Okay. Now we just add one column in here for relevance. So this is volume, and relevance is the count if any of these items are ranked on page 1, so less than 35. Okay. Then we sort this by search volume, and then we search this by relevance. So now this tells me the most searched volumes and the most relevant. These top 2 are every single one of these 10 were on page 1. This one, 8 of the 10 were on page 1. So these are the most important keywords for the master keyword list. And we'll use this to write copy in order starting from the tops, deleting anything that's brand related.